Hello folks, this is a different house I came out of that time. It's because I'm down in my hometown of Porterville in central Newfoundland, where I grew up. A very small community. Not much in the way of stores or gas stations or anything here. Really primitive, and I like being on a homestead actually. So there's my father now. What are you doing?
Hey?
What are you doing? Fixing something?
I'm working at the truck.
Okay. There's Maggie, the dog. What are you fixing up there anyway?
I was tying up the edge of the bumper.
And that's a forward bumper?
Yeah.
This truck's a Nissan, but he's just adapting his bumper. Look at the raspberries. There's somebody got at them before me too and picked them over. Just up for a look now at the horses. Some horses here belonging to my parents' friends. Up for a few weeks there to feed on the grasses there. Willow kind of reacts a bit funny whenever she comes around them. Just like that. Hello horsies. Come get a treat. Here, get in here, you. Here. You're not supposed to be in there. Alright, a little treat there, buddy. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now you can't have all the stuff. You gotta give some to the other one too. I'm a little bit nervous. There you go. There you go. Oh. There you go. So they get lots of feed. They're very happy horses. Go out and check out the new baby chickens they got up here. They're pretty cute. Alright, that's the chicken coop. I haven't seen them in 2 or 3 days, and man, have they ever gotten big. Hello guys. You're not gonna go hiding away, are you? They're not even sure when they buy these. They don't know if they're roosters or not. They only want one rooster apparently, so we're waiting to see what's gonna happen there. Come here, boy. Come here. You look like you don't mind being picked up. Here you go. Look at that. Beautiful look. I just saw them 3 or 4 days ago, and their wings were only just starting. And now look how big it's gotten already. Alright, I'm gonna have to get them some water. Get their water bucket tipped over. That's their food. Lots of food there. You can't get in. You're not allowed in here. There you go. Look at that. I think the word is out. It's fresh water. I think there's 11 there altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my. Now Willow, I'm going to bring you in, but you got to be good. Come in, Willow. Don't touch them. Don't touch them. Good girl. Don't touch them. Don't touch. Baby chicken. Yeah. There you go. Don't touch. Good girl. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do you ever count those? This used to be my old cabin, the first cabin I ever built actually. Just having the woods down by the house there. That was put there about, well, a long time ago. Now my father got it changed into a shooting shack. He shoots it this way. He's a gunsmith too. And that's the target up there, and just kind of all this here muzzles the sound. All railway ties with the carpet and stuff. Not pretty, but it works. Well, now that the horses are happy, chickens are happy, I'm going codfishing. Can't wait. Oh, I got him too. Oh, this one feels a little bit bigger. This one feels pretty good.
That's not very sensible. There you go.
Look there, look. Wicked. Yes, sir.
Fish in the road,
A lot of fish there right now.
There we go. The captain's bringing up one. Look at that. All right, I'm back down there again. Oh, first pull. First pull. Oh, it feels nice still. Yes,
Don't
sir.
ride on this for a while.
No, sir. Am I doing it right?
No.
Oh.
Well, yeah, yeah, we don't haul a line like that. But
Oh, I just can't wait to get it up. You spoiler.
where?
Great cod, boy.
You went on me overboard, didn't I?
You're driving away.
Holding up there. I should have held up, boy. Double header on the go. You got one on too, Don? Triple header. This boy, no boy.
I don't think I can get this one in.
Boys, oh boys, oh boys. What a size. Good one.
Yeah.
Yes, boy.
That's it, is it?
That's it, sir.
Hey? You count? Little bit though. Nice shoulder.
Making fun at it. Quick shout out to Randy White and the team at Dream Decor who make those trays, but it fit right in the bottom of your cooler. In this case, the styrofoam cooler, it fits perfectly. Keeps your fish nice and dry for a long trip home like mine. So until next time, guys, don't be chicken. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And go horsing around. Ouch! You bit my finger, you rascal.